kids.
Hello kids, in this video let us learn to read 100 three-letter words with examples. Cat. The cat is black. Dog. The dog can run. Sun. The sun is hot. Bag. I have a red bag. Hat. The hat is big. Pen. My pen is blue. Cup. The cup is full. Fan. The fan spins fast. Map. This map is old. Bed. I sleep on the bed. Bat. The bat can fly. Top. The top spins well. Box. The box is heavy. Toy. I like my toy. Red. The ball is red. Run. We run in the park. Sit. Please sit here. Win. I can win the race. Egg. The egg is white. Fun. We had fun today. Log. The log is big. Jam. I like jam on bread. Net. The fish is in the net. Zip. Zip up your bag. Lip. My lip is pink. Hop. The frog can hop. Tap. Tap the door gently. Pot. The pot is hot. Cap. My cap is new. Jar. The jar has cookies. Bun. I eat a bun. Wax. The candle has wax. Van. The van is white. Rug. The rug is soft. Dot. Draw a dot here. Pin. The pin is sharp. Fig. The fig is sweet. Pie. The pie is tasty. Man. The man is tall. Hen. The hen lays eggs. Rat. The rat runs fast. Web. The spider makes a web. Jet. The jet is loud. Bus. I go to school by bus. Can. I can read well. Hot. The tea is hot. Wet. My shirt is wet. Rod. The rod is long. Kit. I have a paint kit. Pan. The pan is hot. Yum. I eat yum curry. Saw. I saw a bird. Bin. Put trash in the bin. Hut. The hut is small. Fox. The fox is clever. Key. The key opens the door. Pig. The pig is pink. Sky. The sky is blue. Mix. Mix the flour well. Arm. My arm is strong. Ear. My ear can hear. Leg. My leg hurts. Ice. Ice is cold. Oil. Oil is in the bottle. Ant. The ant is tiny. Bee. The bee makes honey. Cow. The cow eats grass. Fin. The fish has a fin. Gum. I chew gum. Lid. The lid is open. Nut. The nut is hard. Owl. The owl can see at night. Set. Set the table now. Tag. Tag you are it. Zoo. The zoo has lions. Joy. I feel joy today. Dig. I dig in the sand. Eat. I eat rice. Fly. Birds can fly. Get. Get the ball. Hit. Do not hit me. Lay. Hens lay eggs. Mop. I mop the floor. Nap. I nap in the afternoon. Put. Put the book here. Rag. The rag is dirty. Sip. I sip my juice. Tan. My skin can tan. Use. Use a pencil. Yes. Yes, I can help. Bow. I bow to my teacher. Wow. Wow, that is big. Hug. I hug my mom. Win. We win the game. Run. I run to school. Sit. Sit on the chair. Hot. The soup is hot. Red. The apple is red. Fun. The party is fun. Big. The house is big. Thank you kids for learning with me. Bye bye. See you in the next video.